This just in, your backlinks may be working against you. Backlinks are still one of the top-ranking factors for Google, but they're not all rainbows and butterflies. Some backlinks are simply toxic. In this video, we'll help you identify if toxic backlinks are harming your SERP rankings and what you can do about it. Toxic backlinks are bad apples in your website's basket, coming from dodgy sources that make your website look bad. And Google hates these rotten links. They make them think you're trying to cheat the system or scam the users. But you're not. Or are you? John Mueller says, most websites do not need to worry about toxic backlinks. It's something our systems, when they run across links that they think are bad, will primarily ignore them. But what if you're not most websites? What if you're part of the some that need to worry? You need more information, and I'm here to give it to you. First, we'll identify the types of toxic backlinks and their nasty effects. Spammy and irrelevant links are just that, spammy and irrelevant. They come from websites with unrelated topics. Their presence signals to Google that your website lacks credibility and authority. Google loses trust, and the user loses a seamless experience. The penalty by Google is pushing these websites further down the SERPs. Paid backlinks are trouble. Never pay any website to give you a backlink, even if the paid backlink is relevant to your website's content. If it's not marked sponsored, if it's not a no-follow link, and Google finds out, you are in deep shit. Google doesn't want to hear any explanation on this. You simply cannot manipulate the search engine rankings like that. The Penguin update devalues these links, and any other that it speculates are paid, even if they're not. Link networks, PBNs, link farms, whatever you want to call them. These are all strategies created to manipulate the search engine rankings. Link networks are interconnected websites that exchange links. PBNs are private websites created to host backlinks. And link farms are large collections of websites to generate links. Google sees this as hanging out with bad company. And if you're caught hanging out with naughty apples who lie and cheat, Google will think that you are one of them. And don't be surprised when your website disappears from the search results. Birds of a feather flock together. But are you in cahoots? Or were you not even aware of the toxic backlinks on your site? Sometimes you might get bad backlinks without you even knowing it. Maybe some bots or hackers left spam comments with your links on shady websites. Or maybe your SEO team tried to get cheap and fast links from low-quality sources like link farms or directories. Another reason why you might have bad backlinks is because somebody is trying to sabotage you. This is called negative SEO, and it happens when competitors create or redirect bad links to your website on purpose. They use automated tools to spam your links on irrelevant or harmful websites. A dirty trick indeed. But what about the old backlinks you used to have from websites that are sold or changed? They don't just go away. They might still be pointing to your website, and not in a good way. That's why you need to monitor your backlink profile and make sure it matches your current status and relevance. It's important to know that if you have a good website, other websites may be giving you a backlink for their own gain. To identify toxic backlinks, there is some detective work you can do. To help with our investigation, we used SE Ranking's free 14-day trial. It gave comprehensive results and got the job done. Begin by clicking on Backlinks from the column on the far left. Then click on the Backlink Checker option from the new pop-out column. Here you can add a new project by typing your domain or click one you already have listed. Scroll down to find the top referring domain anchors report. You can see the option to view the full report. Click on it. Clicking on it will help you identify toxic backlinks. This process involves reviewing anchor texts to see which of them are okay and which are snakes in the grass. Identify anything fishy and click on the referring domain bar. This will show you the domains that are giving you the spammy backlink. Throw them out. This unidentifiable keyword, because we don't understand Chinese, seems fishy. A page later, we found another potentially irrelevant website. These are the first signs which should alert you. Another way to check toxic backlinks is to click on the referring domain section and observe the domain trust score. Click on it to change it from descending to ascending order. You can see a lot of referring domains have a score of 0. They might not give you much, but still scrutinize them to see where the website is standing and if they have given you a backlink genuinely, or if they're one of the saboteurs. One amazing feature that is still in the beta version but we found did almost everything is the toxic backlink meter by SE ranking. Simply click on the number in red. It shows you your toxic backlinks. Here you have all the different links that might look like they have organic anchor texts, but are actually dirty. If you click on the toxicity score, you will be able to see why the system considers the link toxic. You can simply get rid of it. If you fall in prey to toxic backlinks, here's how you can disavow them. Begin by identifying the toxic backlinks you don't want. Reach out to the host webmaster and politely inform them how this backlink is hurting your website and theirs as well. A smart webmaster should know what they're risking and will remove it. But if that does not happen, there's more you can do. You can involve Google. To disavow backlinks, use the Google Disavow tool. Google states that there are 2 main reasons why one might want to use it. The first reason is that our website has a lot of spammy or irrelevant or low-quality links pointing to it. Links from shady sites that promise free money, cheap Viagra, and Nigerian princes. The second reason is that these toxic backlinks have gotten you into trouble with Google, or might get you into trouble soon, and you don't want to mess with Google. They have the power to make your website disappear. To use the tool, begin by assembling all the links you want to disavow in a text file. Make sure all URLs are in a separate line. You're also able to disavow a domain. Be sure to follow the formatting. We've supplied a link that will help you with that. When using the Disavow tool, Google will give you a warning. Be absolutely sure. Be 100% sure. Be a bazillion% sure. And then move forward. Upload your file and click Submit. And that's it. It will take up to 2 weeks for Google to stop considering these links. Now, a word of caution. Disavowing links accidentally is like saying something mean. You can try to make amends, but it will never be the same. If reinstated, the links will be given lesser value and page rank. Remember, toxic backlinks are like toxic relationships. They will slowly consume you until all that is left is nothing. That's it for today. Goodbye. Websites basket. Whew, this is intense. So intense. So intense.